Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. My August Boxycharm by Ipsy is here. In today's video, we're going to open it up and see what's inside. As always, I have the Ipsy website pulled up so I can tell you what I chose, what Ipsy chose for me, what my beauty boost was, and what my add-ons were, because I do have add-ons. Here is the inside of the box. First thing Ipsy chose for me is the Fenty Beauty Fenty Treats Hydrating and Strengthening Lip Oil in Barbados Cherry, which is a sheer pink. I have been wanting to try one of these for so long. I also love applicators like this that kind of have that hook so it hugs your lip. It smells like Benadryl, so I don't love the scent. It's supposed to be cherry, but it does feel really nice on the lips. I can get past the Benadryl kind of scent. This does feel very nice on the lips. It's very like watery feeling. It's not sticky or anything. It's clear. I'm not really getting like a sheer pink, but again, I really do like it. I will use it. The next product Ipsy chose for me is this Lava Beauty Brow Gel in Clear. Love a brow gel. Love a clear brow gel. I think they're always good to have in the collection. This is what the wand looks like. It actually looks really nice. I'm excited to give this a try. I'm almost done with the brow gel that I'm using. The first thing that I picked is the Iconic London Hotting Up eyeshadow palette. This is a very pretty palette. It's very warm, neutral, bronzy. I'm very excited to give this a try. I really like Iconic London palettes. I think they're gorgeous. Their eyeshadows are very, very nice, and I don't know why no one talks about them, but the only downside is that I won't be using it for a couple of weeks because I use my PTO, so I'm gonna wait until I go back to work for a full week to use this. My second choice is this Kulfi Beauty Lasty Lips Staining Long Lasting Moisturizing Lip Oil in the shade Guava, which is a peony pink. I have been dying to try these. Might have bought another shade as an add-on. I'm gonna film TikToks of these, so go follow me on TikTok so you can see the swatches of those. But for now, I'll just do a little hand swatch so we can see. That color is so pretty. Ooh, I really like this. I feel like when it becomes a stain on the lips, it's gonna look so gorgeous. My third choice is this Pinky Bee Cosmetics setting spray. I like trying new setting sprays, and I need to try a new one anyways because Urban Decay and Skindinavia are no longer, so I don't know if I'm gonna like the new All Nighter reformulation, and All Nighter is one of my favorite setting sprays ever. So this product right here is a prime, set, and refresh. It says no makeup cracks, fading, or melting. I'm excited to try it, see how it goes. For my first add-on, I got another Kulfi Beauty Lasty Lips Staining Long Lasting Moisturizing Lip Oil, and this one is in the shade Fig, which is a deep mauve plum. I thought this shade would be so pretty for fall, so let's do a little swatch. Oh, that's gonna be really pretty. It's a very pretty berry, and you can kind of see the stain from Guava, I think was the first one. So if they're staining my hand, they're gonna stain the lips beautifully. Ooh, and that's how it looks stained on my hand. So this was Fig and this is Guava. The second add-on that I got is the Vacation Ink Eau de Toilette. I totally butchered that travel spray. I have been using the Vacation bronzing lotion, and it smells so good, and I have the air freshener in my car. Again, it smells so good. So when I saw this as, I think this was a choice, but I saw it as an add-on and I was like, I need it. This smells just like summer. It smells so good. Like, I will literally use this in the middle of January when there is like a foot of snow on the ground, just so I could have that little smell of summer and happiness. And my beauty boost, which is a $99 value this month, is the Elemis Pro Collagen Future Restore Serum. The fact that this tiny little bottle is $100 is absolutely insane. This is 15 milliliters or 0.5 fluid ounces, but this better gave me skin looking like I came out of the womb or something. So this is gonna firm, smooth, and brighten your skin, and you're supposed to apply this morning and night. Overall, I think this month's box was pretty good. Very excited I got my hands on these Kulfi lippies. Really, really like this Fenty lip oil. I think it's very pretty. It's very comfortable on the lips, and my lips feel nice and like nourished and hydrated. And I'm so excited to use this palette. It is gorgeous and just is a me palette. I love neutrals and bronzy shades. They are just my favorite. If you get Boxycharm by Ipsy, tell me what you got in the comments down below. Did we get the same products, different products? I would love to hear. And that is it for this week's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.